Morning YouTube. Today I have the Super Duty 250 with the 6.7 liter engine. Nothing work on the engine or transmission or electrical or anything like that. So I just doing the chassis mounts, and this is all the bushing. Ford does have on the 250 or 350 series, they do have problem with the chassis mount. So I don't have a lift pole, so trying to use jack, maybe 2 on each side, and put the 2x4 on top of it. And on this is 2-wheel drive, so had the running board right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the running board out first, and I will put the jack to this place right here. So it's tempting today, so we'll see I can get this done. If I can get this done, that means you can get it done at home too. Okay. Now we'll go to all of it and loose them first before I jack the chassis up. Okay, this is the one in the front, which is right to the front tire. Okay, so you have 8 total, so 4 on each side. Okay, manually it's not easy. Wish you can use power tool on this. Disconnect my battery in case you work on the chassis, so in case your airbag or anything like that, have to disconnect it. I have all my bolts is out, so let me put my jack right here to see how the chassis will lift. You can see the line right here, line up, so the chassis lift. And the one right here already have some room, so I probably lift one side with this jack and then the other side with the other jack to see if that will how's come up. In the bottom here I still have this one to align with that, and this side I have that one aligned right there. So I will slowly jack this side also. Okay. You can see that the back is already higher. Let's see the front here. And this side's not opening, so that means I jacked too far. I need to jack a little bit up here so it will levels up. So I need to take this one down. Okay. See that? One. And also take this one down too. Need to jack a little bit higher. Okay, see that? Easy, easy, easy. So now it's set on that, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some Loctites on it before I tighten this. Okay. Apply some Loctite. There's a blue Loctite on it. Okay. Okay, put everything's in. I'm ready to put an 80 foot-pound on it. Okay. Okay, that's 80 foot-pound. So when you do the, you make sure you do all of it before you tighten it up, because in case the chassis is not aligned. Okay. Alright, so I'm not going to show all of it because they are 80 foot-pound for all of them. So this is look very difficult, but when you do it, it's a piece of cake. Alright, everything done, ready to go test ride to see how good it is. And don't forget to help me subscribe, okay? Bye bye now.